Hi babes, in today's video we're going to be looking at setting spray and sealing spray. So we are going to be looking at the hold, that's the strength. We're going to be looking at the uses and the finishing. So keep on watching. So this is a setting spray and this is a sealing spray. So the difference between this is this come out, this is liquid, but this come out like, how do I put it? Like, you can't really see. It comes out like hair onto your skin and almost immediately it evaporates. That's how that works. And this one is the same thing. The difference between this and this one is this one gives that glowy finishing and it gets the jobs done, and you start feeling that strong hold on your face when you spray this one. This one, once you spray it on, it's almost immediately it evaporates and it keeps your makeup matte and waterproof. But this doesn't give you don't feel that hold on your skin, but still get the job done. And this has this smell, like, it has more smell, but not like it's bad. It's not bad. This has like a fresh water kind of coconut smell with this one. So this is a setting spray. This provides a light to moderate holds, and it is suitable for everyday use. So maybe when you apply your makeup and face turn out powdery, especially when you're setting or you are baking and you find out that you have used too much powder on your face and it begins to look like you're having that wrinkled face, too dried face, then you can use this. It will melt the powder into your skin, make it warm and make it look more natural. It's ideal for daily use. Setting spray can be used in between makeup. Depending on the formulation, you can basically use it in between makeup, because there are some setting spray that gives a glowy hydrating finishing and there are some that give a matte finishing. If the setting spray gives a matte finishing, I only advise you use it after your makeup. But if it gives a glowy, hydrating finishing, you can use it in between your makeup. So for a sealing spray, this provides a much stronger hold, making it a lot stronger than setting spray, making makeup waterproof, sweat proof and heat resistant. This is meant to be spray on top of your makeup, like, this is the last step you want to incorporate in your makeup routine. So this comes after your setting spray, because this provides a much stronger hold, and this is not meant to be sprayed on your powder surface. If you do that, it's just going to keep your powder the way it is. It's going to leave it there, except you're ready to wash it off and start again. Setting spray helps to melt powders into your skin, giving it a natural finishing, but this doesn't give a natural finishing. It keeps your makeup to stay in place. So if you are in a hot season, you are in an environment that a lot of activities is going on and it will require you to sweat, you want your makeup to stay in place and not shift, this is what you want to invest in. Is it necessary to use both setting spray and sealing spray? It depends on the occasion. So if you're just going out, just doing your makeup just to go out for your normal day-to-day activities, you're going to work, you're going to a place that you're not going to be spending so much time, then you can just basically use setting spray. Setting spray to an extent increases longevity. So, and your skin type also matter. There are skins that sweat profusely, and there are people that their oil come out excessively, and there are people that their skin is just normal. All they need is just to just be in a calm environment and spray their setting spray. If you fall in the category of people that their makeup don't really move even without putting so much effort, then just setting spray is fine. But if you are going to be in an environment where you will need your makeup to stay hot, come what may, you need the makeup to just stay where it is applied. You want it to move, then you want to invest in it. So you can basically use both. Like I said, setting spray to an extent increases longevity. It keeps your makeup to stay in place. It also melts a powdery surface. This has nothing to do with melting powder. This has nothing to do with spraying before makeup. This just creates a film on your face. This tells your makeup don't move. That is what this is for. So using both is ideal. If you're going to be attending an occasion that you will need to stay in a place where maximum durability is required, then you need this. So both work separately. So if you're wondering if you should use both, please use both and factor in what your skin type is before you go ahead and pick which is required for your skin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you find this very helpful down in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video and have a fabulous day. Bye guys.